Buenas tardes.
Buenas noches.
Buenas noches.
Adiós.
Adiós.
Hasta luego.
Muy bien, hasta luego. Soy.
Why is the
Yo. Porque en español, in English you always say I am, isn't it? You don't say am. You say I am. But in Spanish you can say yo soy Rosa or soy Rosa. I don't have to say yo.
Oh, okay.
So you can actually say yo soy Rosa, I'm Rosa, or soy Rosa. I don't need to use the article if you like.
Oh,
okay, the pronoun, sorry.
So, ustedes es?
Ustedes. 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 Yeah, usted. Again, the same thing. Es, por ejemplo, es español. He's Spanish. Or usted, no, sorry, I'm confusing you. Usted is the form which we use for a respect form. There is two different forms to address you in Spanish. One is for younger people or friends or in general. Or that if you were talking to an elderly person, for instance, you wouldn't say tú. You would say usted as a respect form, if you like, you know. But in general, most people nowadays, when I was young, you know, everybody was usted. You know, you wouldn't need to talk to anybody you knew, older than you, and say tú. To see what you mean tú. Right, but nowadays it's just really elderly. And if you met the king, you wouldn't say tú, would you? You say usted. You know. That's the type of thing. You know. Respect, if you like, you know.
So, tú eres?
Sí, tú eres, yeah.
¿Cómo se llama? O ¿cómo se llama?
¿Cómo se llama? ¿Cómo te llamas? O ¿cómo se llama? ¿Cómo se llama, again, would be the respect form, if you like, right? ¿Cómo te llamas would be, I'm talking to you now, ¿cómo te llamas? You said, me llamo Michelle. If I was talking to your grandmother here, maybe, or an elderly friend, say, ¿cómo se llama? As opposed of ¿cómo te llamas? You see the difference?
What's that?